Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give information regarding very important topics. So information regarding some very important topics will be given for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health. Here name of the topic is Biotechnology. So this video is very useful for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, MPH and MHA entrance exams like CUET PG, and for CUET PG 2024 last date for registration is 24th of January 2024. So this video is very useful for CUET PG, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH Nimhans Bangalore, JNU Hyderabad University, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Pune University, Lucknow University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH and MHA entrance exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital management and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. So here topic name is biotechnology. We will discuss about the topic biotechnology. Biotechnology is the use of organisms, their parts or processes for the manufacture or production of useful or commercial substances and for the provision of services such as waste treatment. The definition of biotechnology given by European Federation of Biotechnology EFB is as that the integration of natural science and organism, cells, parts thereof and molecular analogous for products and services. Services is called biotechnology. So the definition of biotechnology given by European Federation of Biotechnology EFB is that the integration of natural science and organism, cells, parts thereof and molecular analogous for products and services is called biotechnology. Microorganisms are particularly suitable for industrial processes due to easy and fast growth, higher yield and more specific products, simple nutritional requirements and manipulation of microbes through genetic engineering for better results. Scope of biotechnology. The three scopes that enabled the birth of modern biotechnology are, so the three scopes that enabled the birth of modern biotechnology are: first, genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is the technique of altering the nature of genetic material and or introduction of it into another host organisms to change its phenotype. Second, techniques of facilitate the growth and multiplication of only the desired microbes or cells in large number under sterile conditions for the manufacturer of biotechnological products. The technique of genetic engineering include A. Creation of recombinant DNA, rDNA, use of gene cloning, C. Gene transfer. Third, microbial technology involves careful selection of microbial strains, invention of advanced methods of extraction and purification of microbial products, and increased yield of products like alcohols, enzymes, antibiotics, vaccines, growth hormones, amino acids, citric acid, gluconic acid, lactic acid, etc. Applications of biotechnology. Applications of biotechnology are used in 4 industrial areas including in agriculture, medicine, crop production and non-food industrial crops of usage and their products. In agriculture, the 3 options to increase food production are: first, agrochemical based agriculture; second, organic organic culture. Third, genetically engineered crop based agriculture. Green revolution succeeded in increasing the yield of crops mainly due to first use of improved varieties of crops and second use of agrochemicals, fertilizers and pesticides. Use of genetically modified plants is useful in making more tolerant plant to abiotic stresses like cold, heat, drought, etc. Production of pest resistant plants. BT cotton is produced by a bacterium called Bacillus thuringiensis. BT for short. BT toxin gene has been cloned from the bacteria and been expressed in plants to provide resistance to insect without the need for insecticides. Example are BT cotton, BT corn, rice, tomato, potato and soybean, etc. The gene cry genes encoding the protein are isolated from the bacterium and incorporated into several crops plants. There are a number of cry genes, for example CRY first IAC, CRY second AB, CRY first AB, IAB, etc. Protection against nematodes such as Meloidogene incognita infects tobacco plants and reduces their yields. RNA interference. RNAi is a process applied to prevent this infestation. RNAi involves silencing of a specific mRNA due to a complementary dsRNA molecule that binds to and prevents translation of the mRNA. Silencing using agrobacterium vectors. Nematode specific genes were introduced into the host plant. Due to this, parasite cannot live in the transgenic host and the transgenic plant is protected from the pest. In medicine, biotechnology has tremendous applications. Some important ones are given here. Genetically engineered insulin. In 1983, Eli Lilly, an American company, prepared two DNA sequences coding for chain A and B of human insulin molecule and introduced them into plasmids of Escherichia coli to produce insulin. The two chains produced were extracted and combined by creating disulfide bridges. In genetically modified crops, some genetically modified crops are BT cotton. It was developed to reduce the heavy reliance on pesticides. The bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis BT naturally produces a chemical harmful only to a small fraction of insects. BT brinjal, it is a transgenic brinjals, also known as an egg plant or aubergine, created by inserting a crystal protein gene CRYI first AC from the soil. Bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis into the genome of various brinjal varieties. Golden rice, it is a variety of Oryza sativa rice produced through genetic engineering to biosynthesis. Beta carotene, a precursor of vitamin A in the edible parts of rice. Golden rice was developed as a fortified food to be used in areas where there is a shortage of dietary vitamin A. Golden rice too, it produces up to 23 times more beta carotene than the original variety of golden rice. Golden rice was created by Ingo Potrigas of the Institute of Plant Sciences at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, working with Peter Bayer of the University of Freiburg. In industrial product, it involves different types of product like Yogurt production, milk goes sour within a few hours in the hot conditions. It is stored in a leather bag and mixed with a suitable starter culture. However, it rapidly turns into yogurt which can be kept for several days in Russia. Kefir is a similar ancient product with a fascinating modern commercial history. Yogurt is made by fermenting whole milk with a mixture of Lactobacillus bulgaricus, streptococcus, lactis at 40 to 46 degrees centigrade. Production of antibiotics. Antibiotics are chemical substances produced by certain microorganisms that kill or inhibit the growth of other microorganisms. Types of antibiotic with their source and action. Antibiotic source action. So first antibiotic is penicillin, source Penicillium Chrysogenum P. notatum, action tonsillitis, sore throat, gonorrhea. Next antibiotic is griseofulvin and source is Penicillium griseofulvin. Action is antifungal, especially for ringworm. Next antibiotic is streptomycin. Source is Streptomycus griseus. Action is pneumonia, TB, meningitis. Next antibiotic is erythromycin. Source is Streptomycus erythroideus. Action typhoid, diphtheria, whooping cough, etc. So in this video, information regarding the topics for biotechnology has been given. This video is very useful for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, MPS, Master of Hospital Administration entrance exams like CUT, PG, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPS NIMHANS Bangalore, JNU Hyderabad University, Pune University, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, and for all other university and institutes which conduct MPH entrance exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration, and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Thanks for watching this video.